Stay on top of the game and inspire others as well as yourself by incorporating this list of amazing gadgets to your kitchen to ease off the cooking workload while looking like someone who is up to date with helpful, cool and futuristic accessories. First up, we have the Sous Shelf. Efficiently organize your cooking area with the help of the Sous Shelf Kitchen Ally. Its 6-in-1 design includes a support for your device as well as a bottle opener, 4 coasters, 2 ceramic utensil holders and a stylus. Utensils such as spoons, ladles, spatulas and more can be all stored in the utensil holder along with the ingredients you are currently cooking with. Whether you choose the maplewood or the walnut design, your tablet or phone will remain firmly in place. To prevent sauces and oils from getting on your device screen, use the stylus for touch-free scrolling. Additionally, the bottle opener makes it simple to open your preferred beverages while you prepare your meals or unwind them in the kitchen. With a modern design, it helps you preserve your countertops and keep everything in one spot. Next on the list is Selfie. Use the Selfie Smart Fridge to extend the shelf life of your food. With this device, you can eliminate bacteria and save food waste as well as money. Preserving your food for up to 12 days longer, it works when you push a simple button. Additionally, it utilizes a novel and an environmentally friendly photocatalytic technology based on nanomaterials to eliminate unpleasant aromas from your refrigerator. This groundbreaking purifier, which is small and portable, can truly help you save hundreds of dollars a year in food waste. Simply choose a mode based on how full your fridge is and place Selfie anywhere you want. Coming in at number 3 is the Pela Lomi. Reduce your waste impact by up to 50% with the Pela Lomi Kitchen Composter. This device converts your waste into nutrient-rich dirt instead of tossing away expired food in the trash and putting up with leaky, odorous bags in the kitchen. Pela Lomi accelerates the decomposition of organic waste into smaller pieces by combining heat, abrasion, and oxygen, giving out a clean and natural source of soil nutrients devoid of scent and mess. It even employs filters containing activated charcoal to prevent odors. Simply fill this kitchen composter with leftover food and coffee grounds, then press the button for it to work its magic. Pela Lomi then transforms the waste into healthy compost to use in your indoor plants, garden or even in your green bin. This next gadget will make you think twice about your non-stick pans. The Kraut Cookware's naked titanium pans are prime examples of gadgets that your kitchen deserves. Made without any coatings or other nonsense, the cookware consists of premium titanium design. This works with all types of heat sources, so they are sure to be your new favorite everyday pans. With inner layers made of recycled aluminum, their handles remain cool even when you cook. Made with pure and safe titanium material, the Naked Pan collections includes 2 frying pans, a wok, and a tricone lid. At the 5th spot, we have the Smart Air Fryer by Xiaomi. Do more with one kitchen appliance when you have the Xiaomi Mi Smart Air Fryer. Offering a healthier cooking experience, it not only air fries but also bakes, makes yogurt, defrosts and dries fruit. The preset feature allows you to have food ready when you get home. Its 360-degree air circulation also makes the air fryer a microwave oven as well as an electric oven. You can easily monitor its real-time cooking status with the OLED touchscreen and the customizable display, offering an enjoyable user experience. Overall, you also get access to more than 100 smart recipes and voice control. After that comes pie. Make fresh pizza in your backyard with the SoloStove Pie Pizza Oven. Available in 2 options, one that uses both wood and gas fuel and another that uses only wood fuel. Nevertheless, both bakes a fresh meal for you or the whole family with ease. This durable outdoor pizza oven features a coordinated pizza stone which measures 13mm in thickness, therefore it provides years of pizza making. Measuring 20.5 inches in diameter, it provides plenty of room for an extra large pizza, plus it weighs 30.5 pounds, ensuring that it remains sturdy and stable on surfaces even in windy conditions. Next up is something that will ease up your breakfast routine. The IceYS Smart Fried Egg Cooker helps you indulge in one of your favorite delicacies whenever you want. Operating at dynamic temperatures, it really cooks your eggs at low temperatures. This ensures that the proteins are unharmed. Capable of making up to 6 distinct varieties of fried eggs, you can select from clear liquid yolk, solid yolk with browning, fully cooked with browning, half liquid yolk, solid yolk without browning, and fully cooked without browning. Making eggs has never been this quick and simple, and you are no longer required to stand next to your stove and keep an eye on it. Instead, this gadget gives you flawless fried eggs without having you to try at all. Using centrifugal brewing, the Spin Smart Wi-Fi coffee maker allows you to brew your morning cup of joe without much effort. Giving you access to intricate flavor profiles, you can taste the full flavor of your coffee like never before. What's more is that this coffee maker connects to Wi-Fi, letting you set your brews right from your smartphone. Then, the integrated grinder adjusts the consistency to optimize each drink, plus the customizable brew settings and the pre-programmed recipes gives you versatility. Featuring roast recognition, you can simply scan a bag of beans into the app to upload its brewing specifications. Finally, Spin uses whole beans instead of plastic pots or filters, making it a sustainable coffee choice. Taking the last but one spot, we have the Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric smoker. With this, you can feed a crowd. Featuring a 711 square inch of cooking space, it is capable of holding 7 chickens or 2 turkeys to feed the whole family. Featuring a maximum temperature of 275 Fahrenheit, it has digital control panels where you can set the temperature and the time. A thermostat-controlled temperature setting is also another feature of this Masterbuilt smoker that ensures uniform, constant smoking for the greatest results. In actuality, the fully insulated body traps heat to prevent the entry of cold air. There is also space for a water dish and an air damper to give taste and moisture while giving you the best possible smoke management. At the last spot of this list, introducing Deo. Using a hot steam sanitizing technique that reaches 221 degrees Fahrenheit, the Deo Smart Kitchen Steam Cleaner and Dishwasher kills 99.9% of germs without consuming extra space like any other regular dishwasher. With an efficient design, it uses no soap, no chemicals, or nasty sponges. In fact, the 0.3 megapascal high-pressure pump releases steam to clean and sanitize your dishes, pots, pans, and cutleries. With replaceable nozzles and a super quick adjustment feature, it lets you clean your fridges, counters, and cabinets. Moreover, Deo is not bound to kitchen use, as you can take this detachable and portable gadget out to your garage to clean off your bike after a muddy ride. Overall, it is IPX6 water resistant, efficient, water saving, and safe to use. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then a like and a subscribe would be much appreciated.